So people, them finally catch a dirty rape a boy who unalive the little girl. Dirty boy named Giovanni Ellis. But couldn't sleep from hear the news, And I say, yo, they need to peel back the skull there. I said the only question I need to ask him when they find him is if he want an open casket or a closed casket. That's it. So me find out just now, so the police them take him out. Alright, I just dove cut our bright light now. And his mother said even though the police are tell her, say, yo, tell them say no jungle justice. She was like, yo, I gave birth to him and me want Uno to take him out expeditiously. Take him out for the heinous crime that he did. So yeah, set an example. Leave the little pit them alone. You know what I'm saying? And me I look on the picture in my mag and also I see them where you're supposed to go. Good job, police. Big up the Babylon them.
The person of interest on the run, Giovanni Ellis. His mother, Lurleen Williams, spoke with Rubian Williams today.
If this ever go out to the public, anyway, uno catch him, uno kill him. Anybody at all catch him, kill him.
The police advising against jungle justice.
Really? Me ask the police, say, really, uno that catch a man like that and carry me for damn taxpayers' money? Miss, when me see him, I couldn't recognize him, we and get fat. In a jail in there and get fat, but in there road, fat and look good, so. He might get 3 meals a day, sometimes he even have 1 for the day.
So you wouldn't want for them to bring him in?
Him no fi go in alive, miss. Miss, him no fi go in alive. And me give birth to him, and me a thought that him no fi go in alive. Me tell that to the police them pan them face and tell them say if me face him, me a kill him. Cause me not make him force me and kill me. Cause no him bring me come here and me bring him come here. And before me make him kill me, me kill him.
On that note, are you fearful of him?
Yes, I am. Even my little son you see here, very fearful. Because we hear a lot of things. Say him have gun. Him have all kinds of, we're fearful of that because we not have none and we not have nobody for back with that way there. Yeah, we only have to depend on the police. Yeah, we're fearful because with knife and machete we can't face gun with knife and machete. Because we still...
Wow. A mother. And when you hear that from a mother, you know how bad it is.